Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy. I'm still on iframes. Okay, we want to see how we can style our iframe. Okay, so we can decide to give our iframe height of 260. Okay, so that we can have it long enough. Good. So then we can decide to change the borders. Okay, we can decide to change the border color. Okay, so we will just have to come to our code here, and just here we input our style. Okay, our style attributes. Then our style, then we want to say border and say border is 3px solid, let's say green. Okay, so we have opened our style attribute here, and we said border is going to be 3px. Okay, 3px, so it's going to be solid. Okay, that is going to be bold, and yes, then to be green. Okay, by the time we save that and we'll come back to our browser, so that we have it here green already. Okay, so that way we are able to style our iframe. Okay, you can decide to, obviously you can decide to change the color to, let's say, brown. Okay, and then we save it. By the time we come back here, it's brown. So we can decide to change this 3px to 13px. Okay, by the time we save it and we come back here, you can see it's bigger. Okay, but ideal, let's say 3px to 5px. Okay, well, let's keep it at 4, and then we save it, and then we'll come back here so that it's normal, right? Good. So we can decide to, let's say we want to add a padding of let's say 4px. Okay, and then we save it. By the time we come back, yeah, we have a padding already. Okay, good. So we can try to add a border radius too. Okay, so to just do it a curve at the edges. Okay, so we just come back to, let's just do it after our border. Okay, I just want to put it down, so let's just use it. Let's do it here. So we're going to write border radius. Okay, and leave our border radius at something around let's say 8px. Okay, something not too curved. Okay, then we'll save that, and by the time we come back here, you see that we have it curved already. Okay, at the edges, right? Good. So you can play around with your code, try out different things. Okay, you can even decide to play around margin. Okay, even though it's not needed, but we can decide to play around our margin, and then we can decide to use our margin to be 40px. Okay, so then we'll save it. The margin is the space outside the box, right? Good. So by the time we come back here, and say that it has given it spaces outside the box. Okay, outside the box. And padding is spaces inside the box. Okay, padding is spacing inside the box. If we increase our padding, to 24, the spaces inside the box will increase. Okay, good. And by the time we increase our margin, the spaces outside the box will also increase. So that's that about iframes. We ought to practice, follow, comment,